Hey Drew, I just saw your message about the Git branching and the dev branch. And so when I search just Git branch, I see a bunch of different ways that Git branching can work, and all of them are really valid. And a few of them have a develop branch and a hotfix branch. And my favorite image is this one. And there's a lot going on here, obviously, and I probably cannot explain this as best as it can be explained. I actually, just FYI, I learned Git from a Udemy course specifically on Git, and this is the image they shared. And so far, we have been working in a branch known as master or main, and when we work on features, we've been working on them over here, and we have not had this develop branch in the middle between our feature branches and our main branch. So in the version of Git that how we've been using it, we've had arrows that were connected directly between the main and a feature branch and skip the development. And so the idea is that developers, we have a habit of wanting to put our code back into a common branch just so that we can share each other's work. And that's only one way to share each other's work. You can always just merge any two branches together. If I wanted to pull data from this feature branch over here, I could just pull it over. But this pattern is kind of showcasing how you can use the development branch and put work that's not even finished into this development. And then when other branches, like this branch right here, they started a new feature, it could have been on the same feature branch as this, but it could have been a whole other branch. But they just pulled what was on dev, and they had stuff they could work with. Right here in the middle of this line, they could have done another merge over and kept working like they did, and then merged again. And so that would partially put their work in. And you just want to be careful about doing that because you want your work to be as complete as it can be, but so that's the develop branch. And then when the development branch is at a really good point, you can merge into your main branch. That way, the deployment code is always working code and not unfinished code. And then there's a hot fixes branch, and these ones are for on in the moment bug fixes, where once this bug fix gets fixed on this branch, it gets merged back into main, or end, not or, end merged into the current development branch. Yeah, so that's the gist of it. Hope I explained that well.